All right, Improvisation Center back again with yet another vehicle to showcase. Before anybody gets in an uproar and asks why this, well, the background story behind this, just like with the old Ford truck that we also brought back, belonged to a friend of ours, and after we brought the truck back, we went back and picked this one up out of his driveway as well. Both relatively dead vehicles. Well, the truck is less dead because, as you've seen, it was running. This one here is certifiably dead in the sense that it's been parked since '06, and getting this thing running, if that was my intent, would have been more of a chore than it'd really be worth. But the main intent for getting this vehicle is in order to get that little V6 right there. Well, it ain't a little V6, you know, it's a 4.3, but that's what I want to get out of here. And that will be going in the 46 Ford along with its transmission, 4.3 V6, 4L60, first gen. Both of those will go in the 46 Ford. And of course the transmission will need a standalone controller. I'm just going to put a standalone controller to make it a full manual shift transmission until I could find a stick shift to go in there. But this is just a simple minivan. It's pretty ratty, as you can see. I mean, everything is wore out, and just got to be happy that this camera does not record smell as well as sight and sound, because the smell would be just as overpowering from the mold and mildew. But the main intent is, as stated, getting the powertrain out of this thing, parting it out for the most part, and then I got to do some measurements to see if the wheelbase on this van matches up to the wheelbase on that little number right there, because if it does, then the next plan will be to get this body off of here and put that body on this frame. But yeah, another vehicle to add to the yard, because yeah, we just like working on cars and crap. So we're back now using the old trusty dusty F-250 to drag this thing back on our car trailer. Now we got to get this thing off and get it staged somewhere where it could sit for a while I start gutting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing off the trailer. Hard right. Straighten it out. To the left a little. Cut the wheel to the right. Straighten it out. Watch the fence post. You're gonna have to shut the door. Stop. Straighten it out. More. More. That way some. You're coming up to the gate. Go to... Got our van situated where we want it, in a little cavity right here where the Mustang was sit by our back gate. This will allow me to be able to work on it more or less out of the way. Just gotta yank the engine and everything out later on, then that'll allow me to pull the body around over there somewhere where we got the other truck. But for right now, this little phase of this introductory project right here is complete. Gonna go ahead and get our neighbor's trusty tractor back so he can continue to do what he needs to do, and we can also do the same. So till the next time, you know the deal, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, show us some support, get to see more of us, more interesting projects, more of our exploits. Until the next time, I will see you later.